Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. So we had finished the deployment stage in the last class. In this class, we are going to discuss the next stage of data science lifecycle project, that is monitor. So what to monitor? So after successful deploying of model on required platform, we need to constantly monitor the performance of the deployed model for its accuracy and other measures. Friends, okay, we built the model and we had evaluated the model and we have communicated the results, and after that we had got the approvals, and then we deployed the model on the required platforms. So the job finishes? No, not at all. After deploying, the real picture comes to us how the model is working at scale, because at the time of testing or evaluating, we are testing with some testing at some small scale, but when our model comes to the live into the production, then our model will be used by some lakhs of customers in the real time environment, lakhs of businesses. So in that real time production, the issues comes up. Okay, so the real issues will comes up, so we need to address that. So in order to address those issues, first you need to monitor your model's performance. You need to constantly monitor the model performance. Okay, so from the work of monitoring only, the job of monitoring job only, you need to come to know whether uh, whether the deployed model is performing well or not, how much uh, accuracy it is giving, all those things you will come to know. Okay, so that is the job in the monitoring stage, monitoring the operations. Okay, if the model is not performing well and if its accuracy is poor, then we need to optimize the model. Okay, so after deploying the model into live production environments, and at the testing stage, at the evaluation stage, it is working, but after deploying and at scale, it is not giving that much accuracy, then you need to uh, optimize your model means in the next stage we will discuss about that things, friends. Okay, so monitoring aim is to know the issues of the model. Okay, whether issues are there or not, it is simply smoothly working or not. Okay, that is the aim of the monitoring stage. So and in the next stage we will see the optimization. So till then, bye bye. Yours Veera signing off. Thank you for listening.